Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Safari keyboard shortcuts. So just tap on a Safari browser and first time we get to system preferences keyboard shortcuts, app shortcuts, click on the plus sign and option to select any application installed on your Mac comes up, select Safari and then you want to type in the menu title of the menu command you want to change. So you can change it in a MacBook, not in a iPhone, to create a shortcuts keyboard. So the keyboard shortcut on Safari can only be done on MacBook. It can be done on Apple laptop or on iPad because there is no keyboard shortcut on the mobile phone. So you will see the options on iPad. Can you create your own keyboard shortcuts on Mac? Yes, you can. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.